Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to use function keys of this device. So the function keys are located at the top edge of your keyboard. They are numerated from F1 to F12, and they have both primary and secondary functions. For some reason, the secondary functions on this laptop go first, so in order to enable primary functions, you actually have to hold down the F1 button and use any of these function keys. So for example, if you hold the F1 button and press F1, this will bring you to the help menu in most applications. The Fn and F5 will reload or refresh the page. The Fn and F11 will put your device on a full screen, and the Fn and F12 will, for example, open developer tools in browser. Now the secondary functions for your device are the following. First of all, escape is used as the function key too. If you press Fn and escape at the same time, you will switch off your touchpad. Now the F1 will put your device into the sleep mode. The F2 will disable the system audio. F3 lowers system volume, and F4 increases it. F5 decreases display brightness, and F6 increases it. F6 increases it, and F7 plays and stops the media file. F8 enables the previous media. F9 enables the skips to the next media file. F10 doesn't do anything. F11 enables insert key, and F12 also doesn't do anything. And these are the function keys on this laptop. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.